Mizoram Badminton Association chuan ma ason zela badminton in elna huanga India IO in Mizo player panga tundin huna hian anjin chuak mek September ni sari pathian ni tanga nei tran September ni sompali pathian ni thleng o tur Amazing Thailand Pattaya BWF World Senior Championship sang ni som ni panga India IO in Mizo player panga an fe chuak Mizo player te hi kumin kumtira nei in elna 47 India Masters Veteran National Badminton Championship Goa a finalist le semi-finalist ni in India IO Tour hian thanan ni Mizoram Badminton Association MBA chuan India le Mizoram timing thatu ni turin du sakna sang ber kan hlana ni ti in asoya Mizo mechia pani ponti le du zuali baka pumuan omate Hoin India ai anhan o chauta a Mizoram Badminton in tuna hian leirem Arab mek ane Notice Zone Interstate and Zonal Badminton Championship sang ni som ni panga nei zota ka Mizoram in gold medal pakhat a hlo chuaka team in elna bika hian gold baka silver pakhat le bronze pani an hlo chuak Hein elna hi Agartala Tripura a SRCC indoor hall nei ni in Mizoram hian mimal in elna base angin gold hlo chuak loma se silver pathum le bronze pathum an vo chuaka heti rual hian Mizoram IO fe chuak zong ten medal an hlo chuak veka Mizoram Badminton tana thilchin chia tlak tak melung poimo tak ani September ni li tongani sari in kara nei in elna hian Mizoram chuan under 19 boys team in elna tongin gold medal an hlo chuaka match masabera scheme chu 2-0 in an hea he match a hian singles a Eslal Thazwala in lanin doubles a Silaram sang le Sainun Moya Sailo te anin lana he formation mang hian semi final a Arunachal Pradesh 2-0 nele in final boruk sang taka Manipur chu 2-0 bokin an hea gold medal Mizoram in an hlo chuak Mizoram hian team in elna dang under 19 girls team a silver medal an hlo chuaka single sa lalrin kimile ace lalrin hlute in lanin double sa rin hluile rempui te anin kopa final thleng turin Nagaland le Arunachal Pradesh te ne ma se atopa Assam chu 2-1 in an ngam talo kumma salama final an thlenna men's team a Mizoram in Manipur ngam lovin semi final an tla a bronze medal an lung oi angai women's team semi final a po Assam ngam lovin bronze medal bok kan donga team event bika Assam hian gold medal pathum la in asang berdin hunan lua gold medal pakhat la tu Mizoram in dotin Manipur chu pathum na anni kumsom pathum le thasari mi tirzalal remruati scholarship chuan women singles a final a thlenga notice level senior in elna a final lu the no pangber record asiam ma se scholarship no pang tirzai hian final a tunin elna Assam chuan vor category pathuma gold medal la thei omchun Santi Priya Hazarika amachoda straight setin chaklo zoka atang kumsom pathum le thasaria upa tirzai tan record ro pui bik ani